WideOpenSportsman.com, your daily fix of adrenaline. Hello, I'm Dave Valtiero with Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. On this next YouTube segment, I'm going to showcase a shooting bench that I made so that I can set up on my tailgate when I get to a new ranch and make sure that my gun is still on the mark. These shoot and see targets are awesome. They enable you to take these little tabs and fill over your bullet holes to keep shooting. They're awesome. It's all I use. I'm going to position my targets about 100 yards across this tank. Let's now go to the other side of the tank and get set up with the new shooting rest. The distance across this tank is right at 100 yards. Let me show you the shooting rest. I generally have this rest in the very back of the bed, and I layer things on top of it. All my tools or gear can go right on top. But I've got it right here on the edge so I can slide it out and show it to you. It's simply a piece of plywood, and I put these support boards on here. But I've also got a hinge leg that comes down to give me a good firm armrest for my right arm. I just swing it down, get it positioned. I've actually tied a little rope on here so it holds my leg up. Let's now swing it in position. So now I've got a really stable bench here on the tailgate of my truck so that I can set up a 100-yard shooting range anywhere I want. You can choose a rest. There's lots of brands out there. Lead, Sled, this is Caldwell. There's two different varieties here. This is a full gun support. This is just the front portion of the gun. You use sandbags for your elbows and for the back section of the gun. There's a lot out there, but you're mobile now and you can set up a shooting range anywhere you want. This Caldwell Rest has very nice controls, completely adjustable for different guns. It's my little spot right here for shooting. See how we can get this bad boy set up here. All right, this is too cool, man, too cool. I've got a Remington 700, 7mm 08, 4.5 by 14 power Leopold gold band scope with a 50mm opening. Let's take some shots. I firmly believe in ear protection and eye protection when you're shooting, and it's just safety's number one. I always believe in eye protection and ear protection when you're shooting. And I only load one bullet at a time. Fire in the hole. Okay, I got 2 shots high and to the left. Got to make some adjustments. All right, I'm high and to the left, but I'm high okay. I'm about 1 inch high, but I want to move it to the right, about 1 inch. So 1 click is 1/4 inch. So I want to move it 1 inch. So I'm going to go 6 clicks and then back 2. Some people tap on these turrets. Technology's changed a lot. You don't need to tap anymore. Let's take another shot and see what that adjustment does. I tell you what, it is awesome to be able to make minor adjustments in the field to be ready to hunt. This mobile shooting station is textbook cool. Special thanks to our amazing sponsors. We couldn't do what we do without them. WideOpenSportsman.com. Just get out there. You know, it's always wide open.